Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be answering one clear question. Does Spectrum have fiber internet in 2026? So if you are comparing the high-speed internet options and you want to know whether Spectrum offers real fiber or something else, this explanation will help you choose the right plan. So first of all, let's just understand what people usually mean by fiber internet. So when most of the people say fiber internet, they expect fast symmetrical speeds where download and the upload numbers are close and the performance stays strong even under heavy use. So does Spectrum offer that? The short answer is no. Spectrum's main service is cable internet, not the fiber to the home in most areas. The cable internet is fast and reliable, but it doesn't deliver the same true fiber experience that some competitors provide. So, if I just talk about it specifically, Spectrum's cable plans include the Spectrum Internet Gig, which is going to give you very high download speeds, offer up to 1 Gbps, and they work well for streaming, gaming, and multiple devices at once. Those speeds are fast enough for almost everyone, and you don't have data caps, which is a big advantage. But here is the catch. Cable internet uses the coaxial lines plus fiber in parts of the network, but most of the homes are connected via the cable technology and not the fiber optic lines directly into the house. That means upload speeds are usually much lower than the download speeds, which is the opposite of what many fiber plans offer. So in 2026, Spectrum has started testing fiber upgrades in some markets, but nationwide availability is still limited as compared to the providers whose core offering is fiber to the home. So, who might still pick Spectrum, you must be wondering. If you want very fast download speeds without data caps and you live in an area where fiber isn't available from anyone yet, Spectrum's cable internet is still a strong choice. If true fiber with fast uploads and the future-proof performance matters to you the most, you will want to check the providers that focus 100% on fiber. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.